Well, as you can tell by that introduction, I am very creative. I'm also Brittany Edwards, and this channel is a box of chocolates, which just basically means that you never know what you're going to get. Like 10 free or low cost creative ways to promote your YouTube channel. Results may vary. This video will open up a whole new world to the way that you think about promoting your channel. You could quote me on that. I also need to take a moment to pay my respects to the legend herself, Madame Zeroni. Kelly Stamps. However, it's not anything that's brand new because your YouTube channel is a business. So you need to treat it like a business, which means that you need to advertise it like a business, which means you need business cards, okay? I know what you're thinking. Business cards are so 2000 and late, but just hear me out. This is also probably the most expensive and least creative way to promote your channel, but I promise it's gonna get really good because this is gonna connect. It's gonna make sense. But business cards are a top class, underrated way to promote your YouTube channel. The reason I say it's underrated is because here's the thing. When you're meeting someone and you're telling them about your YouTube channel, 10 times out of 10, they're probably not going to remember the name to go out of their way to look it up later. So if you hand them a physical card that has your name on it, the way it's spelled out, and there's like at least a 0.01% chance that they will actually take the time to go look it up, peruse your channel, see if they like anything, and then subscribe. I would rather have a 0.01% chance than a 0% chance. So take a little $15, $20, go to staples.com, officedepot.com. You could go to Vistaprint. Vistaprint is, my OG, but low-key, their prices don't smack like Staples or Home Depot. Wow. Office Depot. I'm sure Home Depot could do something for you too. You guys can get some plywood infused cards. I don't know. Anyways, the quality of your card matters because people are gonna judge you by your business card. And by that I mean, there was this one time that I got just like this little play business card from my friend, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is nice. It was like all velvety and smooth. So your YouTube card has to have the same feel. Not velvety smooth, but in terms of like when people see it, they're like, ooh, okay. Okay. I see you. I see you. Pentagon, whatever. Alright. Are you Brittany Edwards? Okay. Yes, ma'am. She said daintily as she takes up the rest. That is so cute. Now they actually do look really cute. Hit them with my little minimalism.
I really love the spacing. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you. These are really nice.
No, they'd be cute. Okay.
Put in the time and whatever the creative juices that you need to make your business card look really good, because that's going to be people's first impression of you and your channel. They'll probably get a vibe of your personality type, what they can maybe expect on it. If you're funny, put a little, what I'm saying, on it. Put the QR code as your screensaver. So that's what I did. And now, sorry, I got some unread text messages. So incriminating. Ha! There we go. Bah! Anytime I'm talking to someone, a stranger on the street, I'll just be like, oh, well, in theory, I haven't done it yet. But in theory, I could just be like, oh, do you have your phone on you? Bah! Scan the QR code, my YouTube channel comes up, and it's the easiest way to promote in terms of conversion rate, because people don't have to type anything and they're right to your page. You don't have to scroll, they don't have to click. If you're lucky, they'll also think that you're cool for having it like that, and then they'll be more likely to subscribe. Even though the QR code is a magnificent option, you still need the business cards, and that's because it's gonna come in handy for this next way. Drive your local Uber, Lyft, co-op, ice cream truck. Just casually have your business cards directly placed in the face of your customers, your clientele. So, you have a little sign with a little scoopity holder that says, take one And if you're lucky, they'll take one, look it up. Hopefully they don't do anything creepy like, write down your license plate number or something like that. The next way is to add it into your email signature. Set it up with a nice little thumbnail, and there is this website that I went to, and I will put all of that over the screen. So this website I went to creates your email signature that you could just input. So it has all of the links that actively work, and you can put in your social media handles, you could personalize it, you could add a photo, and it's completely free to use. So yes please, just like a subscription to my YouTube channel, completely free. Okay, this next one, for privacy reasons, I wouldn't necessarily recommend you do it on your own car. However, if you are like me and you periodically rent cars, then you can get one of those little magnets that has maybe your face on it, maybe it has a QR code on it, maybe it just has your YouTube channel name on it. I feel like only the pizza market capitalizes on car advertisements, also kind of taxis, but those little magnets on the side could really do wonders for you, I'm sure. Slap it on the side of a car while you are, en route to wherever it is that you're going. When you get to the place that you're going, you can take it off. Again, would not recommend you do it on your personal car. If you want to give one away to someone and place it on their car, you can make like magnetic business cards. That's probably expensive, and you could just, plaster that on other people's cars, and they just have a fridge magnet of your YouTube channel. That would just, okay, anyway. This method you can use for your personal car. So while you are at a stoplight, have a passenger in your car airdrop the link to your YouTube channel to anyone who else might have their airdrop open. I like to be diverse and inclusive, so if you are not a car driver, you can feel free to do this on your local bus, train, plane, well, only if you're flying JetBlue and you have free Wi-Fi on all your flights. Again, not sponsored yet, I'm just practicing. Another good way to promote your channel that people don't really think about as being a creative way to promote your channel is doing interviews at really crowded carnivals, festivals, whatever else people go to, fairs. You interviewing someone, yes, you're creating content for yourself, and it's not necessarily a promotional method, but it is a promotional method because now you have the person that you're interviewing that has a vested interest in seeing whatever video it is that you make. So they're interested in looking up your channel. They're gonna tell their friends and family, like, hey, this random YouTuber interviewed me at Hot Dog Fest. That's probably uncomfortable. What's inclusive? Hey, this random YouTuber was interviewing me at this dry paint wall festival. So you should probably go check out their video. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy, it's so funny, ha ha ha, whatever. People are going to be promoting it to their family and friends, and then the people that are around you watching this happen might be interested, maybe they want to know what's happening. And also in the same way, Kelly Stamps and her smart self has strangers help her film some of her videos. So if you don't have access to a drywall paint festival, then you can be strategic and use the people around you, like waitresses, waiters, wait persons, or whoever is around, innocent bystanders in the park. Using those people to help you create your video, again, gives them a vested interest in what you're making. They're gonna tell their friends and family. So, bida bop boom, there you go. I would love to take part, but the way my introversion is set up, we haven't gotten there yet. Lollapalooza is coming up, and I need to capitalize on the moment, so I'm nervous,
but I'm excited at the same time.
Yes. If you watched my last video about how to get 100 subscribers in 3 business days, then you will know this next one, which is personally sending a message to every single Facebook friend on your list. And yes, I mean every single one, which is what I did, kind of, except I didn't get to everyone. I got to maybe like half and a half. What's that? Half and half of half. Probably like 75%. I think maybe a little bit more of them. But anyways, this only really works well if you only have people you know on your Facebook. The first couple days that I was doing it, I got like a good 37% conversion rate. 37% is really good because like in my mind, I just didn't think a lot of people were going to, but when you personally message people, you're going to be a lot more successful. Status updates won't cut it. You need to delegate responsibilities to people by saying their name. So I say, hey, you watching my video right now. I would love if you took some time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me and it would really be helpful as I try to absolutely squash capitalism and delete my 9-to-5 out of my life. So yeah, I would just really appreciate it. Okay, so this next one, don't be distasteful about it, but find other content creators that are making videos that are similar to yours and comment on their videos. And when I say don't be distasteful about it, I mean don't say, hey, I'm a small YouTuber and blah, blah, blah. First of all, we need to stop this whole small YouTuber thing. You need to have BYE, big YouTuber energy, because when you promote that energy into the world, energy emitted is energy received, and you're going to get big YouTuber status bestowed upon you. Don't say, hey, I'm a YouTuber and I'm trying to grow my channel, would love if you subscribe, or like, come check out my channel, blah, blah, blah. No, because that's just annoying, and again, it's just, ugh. That just looks like you don't have any home training. What you do is you comment on their videos and hope that someone will see your profile picture, think that you're cute, click on it, see, you know, who, what are, what's their channel about? Is it something I'm interested in? The other reason why commenting on the videos is important is because you are getting closer to the fan base, the demographic of people that support and like and enjoy content that's similar to yours. So if you are very, very, very dedicated, you could even go and comment under other people's comments on their video. You could find specific people that you think might have, you know, a good little something going on, go on their page and comment on some of their individual videos. Because I know sometimes when people comment on my videos, I'm like, oh, who is this? Let me go to their channel, peruse a little bit, see if there's anything that I like, and then I'll subscribe and support them. And if you are super sincere, then the main creator might even acknowledge that, and maybe they'll support you in return because they're like, hey, I like what you do, you little thing thizzle, and you know, you can get connected for free.
With Education Connection, get connected for free. With Education Connection.
That's kind of the most strategic way to grow organically, and I know it's not very organic, it's like slightly GMO, but like the organic GMO, to kind of like bananas. Bananas are technically GMO. I don't know if you've ever seen the original banana, but it's so scary. I'm so sorry if you have trypophobia because I probably just triggered it. Anyways, that process is labor intensive, but probably potentially the most rewarding. If you're lucky, the algorithm will connect you guys together and kind of just start promoting your content to that fan base, and hopefully, you know, you also stick to them and they like you too. And lastly, there is heading to your local library, Best Buy, Target, Walmart, Apple Store, and just accidentally leave your YouTube channel open, videos playing, subscription added. It's slightly nefarious, but if you want to be honest, then just leave up your channel. And if you're lucky, someone will come to the device, be nosy enough to peruse what the last person was doing on Brittany Edwards' YouTube page, and maybe they'll even pull out their own phone and subscribe. Until next time.